Oh, this is a long O. O as in show. O sai. O sai. O sai means sound. O ra yam. Oram. Oram means edge. O vi ya yam. Ovium. Ovium means drawing. Odai. Odai. Odai means stream water. Consonants in combination with the vowel O is ko. The consonants plus the vowel O and the combination of these is ko, ngo, cho, nyo, do, no, tho, no, po, mo, yo, ro, lo, wo, ro, lo, ro, no. Pa, ri, so, the, nai. Parisodhanai. Parisodhanai means experiment. Tho, it, ta, im. Thotam. Thotam is garden. Tho, il, vi. Tholvi. Tholvi means failure. Tho, ri. Thori. Thori means friend. Only for girl. Tho, il. Thol. Thol means shoulder. Tho, il. Thol. Thol means skin. Tho, it, ta, im. Thotam. Thotam means appearance. Po. Po means go. Po, ir. Por. Por means war. Po, dai. Po, dai. Po, dai means intoxication. Po, ra, it, ta, im. Poratam. Poratam means struggle. No, ik, ka, im. No come. No come means aim. No, e. No, e. No, e means disease. No, ya, li. No, ya, li. No, ya, li means patient. Mo, sa, im. Mosam. Mosam means bad. Mo, ir. More. More means butter, milk. Mo, ti, ra, im. Modiram. Modiram means ring. Class 24, we learned the long O. The first word was O sai. O sai. Osai means sound. Next, O Ra Im. Oram. Oram means edge. Then O V Ya Im. OVM. OVM means drawing. Odai. Odai. Odai means stream water. Then this combination of the consonants and the vowel O is ko, ngo, cho, nyo, do, no, to, no, po, mo, yo, ro, lo, wo, lo, ro, no. Then pa, ri, so, the, nai. Parisodhanai means experiment. Tho, it, ta, im. Thotam. Thotam means garden. Tho, il, bi. Tholvi. Tholvi means failure. Tho, li. Thori. Thori means friend. Only for girls we call Thori. Tho, il. Thol. Thol is shoulder. Tho, il. Thol. Thol is skin. Tho, it, ta, im. Thotam. Totem is appearance. Po. Po means go. Po ir. Por. Por means war. Po dai. Po dai. Po dai means intoxication. Po ra it ta im. Poratam. Poratam means struggle. No ik ka im. Nokam. Nokam is aim. No e. Noi. Noi is disease. No ya li. Noyali. Noyali means patient. Mo sa im. Mosam. Mosam means bad. Mo ir. More. More is buttermilk. Mo ti ra im. Modiram. Modiram is ring.
It's practice time. Dear learners, come, let's practice the letters. As we all know, practice makes us perfect. So let's start with the homework.